Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
10 Best Anti-Aging Oils for Younger Looking Skin. Young looking skin is a cherished aspiration of every person. However, as we age, the skin loses its elasticity. Hence, it triggers the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. The proper skin care is crucial when it comes to keeping the skin healthy and young. One of the things every woman should use are natural oils. These oils will hydrate the skin and keep it young. Moreover, they will rejuvenate and soften the skin. 10 Natural Oils You Should Use. Olive oil. This oil is packed with anti-aging properties, due to the high amount of fatty acids, minerals, and vitamin Z and A. This oil can protect against free radical damage. All you should do is warm the oil a bit and massage the skin for 5-10 minutes. Practice this method on a daily basis after having a shower. Jojoba oil. This oil is rich in powerful anti-aging properties and vitamin C and E. Use it on a daily basis for massaging the skin. Argan oil. The argan oil is a natural source of vitamin Z and A. It is effective for reducing fine lines, sagging skin, spots, and wrinkles. You can use it to clean the skin and massage at bedtime. Moreover, you can also consume a tablespoon of it every day. Coconut oil. This versatile oil is amazing for your skin. It will prevent aging signs, such as age spots and wrinkles. Furthermore, it can protect you from sun damage. You can massage your skin with it or consume 2 tablespoons of coconut oil on a daily basis. Almond oil. This oil is packed with vitamins K and E. Hence, it can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and slow down the aging process. You should heat it a bit and apply a few drops of this oil under the bottom eyelids, to eliminate dark circles and wrinkles. Neem oil. It contains powerful anti-aging, antibacterial, antiviral, antioxidant, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. Moreover, it is a natural source of polyunsaturated fatty acids and vitamin E. Thus, it can restore the natural elasticity of the skin and rejuvenates skin cells. You should massage your skin with a mixture of 1 tablespoon of neem oil and 1/3 cup of lukewarm olive or coconut oil. Lavender essential oil. This oil is packed with some amazing antifungal and antiseptic properties. It treats various skin conditions and rejuvenates the skin. You should combine 5 or 6 drops of lavender essential oil and a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and massage it mixture on the skin. Then, wash it off after 10 minutes. Avocado oil. This oil provides amazing anti-aging properties. Due to the vitamin Z and A, it can prevent age-related skin damage and support the health of the existing cells and tissues. Wheat germ oil. This powerful oil can prevent skin issues or aging signs due to the vitamin A and E content. Moreover, it contains strong antioxidant effects which protect against free radical damage to skin cells. In order to use it, you should combine it with honey in equal amounts, and apply it to the skin. Rinse it off after 15-20 minutes. Pomegranate seed oil. This effective oil is packed with potent antioxidants, which fight and repair free radical damage. Moreover, due to its healing properties, you will have a flawless skin.